How I remember this snowstorm, 2022. We did a lot of snow plowing yesterday, and it was too cold for the kids to go out. So woke up this morning, the sun was shining, and I hope to remember this year's snow on the hill. The kids are smiling, having a good time.
My back, my shoveling the driveway was the most intriguing part of the snow, but I made it.
Having fun on the hill at mainland.
I will remember it as lots of hot chocolate and snuggle time.
You know, it's always a pain in the neck, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, right?
It's light snow, it's not heavy, so it wasn't too bad to shovel.
Lots of snow, more snow than we've had probably in the last 2 storms in the last 5 years combined, I would say.
How has business been?
Good. We've had quite a few places.
What are we getting now to like shovel a sidewalk?
Sometimes there are really high drifts, so that changes the price. Sometimes if it's easier, I'll do it for like $20, or it could go up to $40 or $50.
Let's see, I was raised up in the Poconos, and this was the first year that just really felt like, you know, a little bit of that old town was brought down to the shore. So, yeah, it was great to finally have a nice big winter.
It's beautiful, and like you said, maybe once and done.